At Discovery High School, we offer the hospitality pathway, which is part of the hospitality and tourism industry. Students will learn about food nutrition, how to prepare food in quantities for sale, study cost control, menu planning, and dining room service. Their skills will be put to the test in Discovery's brand new cafe.
This class helped me, be calm and be collected, and if I need that for a certain option, then it's there. And if my career option for animation doesn't work, I can go into culinary as a second career path.
This culinary class, I believe it's done a lot for me. It's taught me leadership skills, teamwork skills, gotta listen, make sure you're getting the recipes and things right.
Students in the hospitality pathway receive hands-on experience working with instructors that have experience as chefs and restaurant managers.
I would tell them that this class is very beneficial. Like, it helps you get your food handling license. It helps you learn new things, help you learn how to work in the kitchen, work with other people. It teaches you a lot of different things.
If you want to get a job and you want to get a good job that's like high ranking, you want to go to this, class, and they'll teach you everything you need to know, get you your food handler card and everything.
Whether or not students go on to a career in hospitality, exposure to soft skills, understanding proper food handling procedures, dining and serving etiquette, food cost, menu planning, and business development will serve them throughout their life.
It promotes life skills like cooking, things that we'll actually need after high school.
It's really fun because Chef always gives us different types of things to do, and each time we learn something new.
Well, when I know how to cook, it's just I know I will learn the better way to cut food.
Yeah, and also the best thing about culinary is that you really learn what you like and what you don't like.
I like this class a lot because before, I knew how to cook eggs and stuff, but that's basic stuff. In this class I learned how to cook, and it just taught me a lot, and I like it a lot.
These skills can be applied to many types of careers and will also help provide a much higher level of confidence for students as they prepare for their future. To learn more about the hospitality pathway and all of Natomas Unified's CTE pathways, visit the website listed below.